Stop acting desperate. Stop. You are busy acting desperate, texting this person that has no time for you. This person you're texting is having time with the person they love. What is wrong with you? Find time for you. I wish I could punch you. Find time for yourself. Find time for your family. Take yourself out. Get to people that love you. Don't act desperate at any point. You're beautiful. You are better than that. You're busy texting. Hey baby, what's the plot tonight? Hey baby, how are you feeling? This person hasn't texted you at all. But you're busy wasting your time texting this person who doesn't even think about you. Because if at all this person did, he or she would have texted you and asked how you're doing. But you're wasting your time. It's you. My dear, stop. Stop acting desperate. Stop acting cheap. You're not cheap. Look at yourself. Sit down and look back for a minute. Think for a minute. You have a life. You have a family. Probably you have children. Why are you wasting time on a person who doesn't even care? Who will text you even if you texted like today, this person is going to answer back 2 days after, or maybe not. Stop acting desperate. You're not desperate. You are blessed. You're beautiful in your own. Someone who loves you will come. Lekera okweteka ku bantu. Atakwagala tomwetekako. Lekera okulaga nti omuntu omufaako nnyo nga tetakuliiko. Stop. You're wonderfully made. You're beautiful. Treat yourself. Learn how to treat yourself. Love you.
Ali kulumbe sister ange n'agamba mami naye nga daddy yali mwenzi. Ko mami mu bwenzi we mwe yakujja. Kubanga nza asembayo mbakazi be.
Mami amanja. Nenda kuba ko kyemwayo lwa anseyo. Abaana abasirusiru mbwe bato babeera babole nganda babanga baganti bo bava mugulu nga basazewo nti oyo abanzaala kitaawo taba mwenzi kitaawo aba kitaawo maama wo taba mwenzi maama wo aba maama wo abebbali beboogera ebigambo ebifaanagana bwe bityo gwe kyoyina okukola kiri kimu muwe ekitiibwa ekyokubiri byonna ebikunyiiza ku maama wo tobikolanga oba tokoze enjawulo bw'omwogerako ne bw'ogamba ye yennyini ne bw'ogamba baganda bo ne bw'omwogerako mu bantu abalala it doesn't make a difference. What makes a difference? Change everything that you don't admire on your parents.
Fudde ate mami kwali ku TV naye yamugamba mu bwenzi bwa kitaawo mwe wava nze mukazi asembayo mu bakazi abangi taba kwenda sandi kuza